The sun naturally gives off heat radiation. Some of this just goes into space, but some comes to the Earth and warms up the planet. This is our only natural source of heat, and without it the world would constantly be in sub-zero temperatures. When this heat radiation reaches Earth, it is absorbed. The Earth then gives off some heat radiation of its own. This is radiated into space, but some of it gets trapped in a layer of greenhouse gases just below the atmosphere. It can't escape, so stays in the Earth's atmosphere, making the Earth just that extra bit hotter. With this happening over and over again, the Earth is sure to heat up significantly. So what are these greenhouse gases? We make those gases during our everyday lives, through cars, factories and power stations. The amount of CO2 could naturally be reduced by planting more trees, but we're doing the opposite. We're cutting them down to make way for even more polluting factories and roads. So all these things put together make up the greenhouse effect. So called because of the way the heat is let in but can't escape. It's exactly what happens inside a greenhouse. Now we know what the greenhouse effect is. What will be the end result? Climate, countries that are already hot will now become unbearable, and more deserts will form due to the lack of water. Arctic plants that need the cold climate will become extinct, but we will start seeing some more tropical plants and animals here in the UK. The hot weather isn't all fun though. The heat will cause a lot of the glaciers in the freezing Arctic to melt. This will cause more water in the sea, and with the heat the water will also be expanded, so the sea level will rise by up to 5 meters. Well, should we be worrying about global warming? The answer is of course yes. We need to do something to reduce the number of greenhouse gases we produce. This can be achieved by using cars less and taking public transportation. We can also use more renewable power sources instead of burning very polluting fossil fuels. And planting more trees will help to reduce the amount of CO2.